Hi, welcome to Article Galaxy References. Managing research shouldn't slow you down. With Article Galaxy References, you can organize, manage, and access your literature all in one place. Let me show you. First, we're going to start to the feeds section. Here, you can save any RSS feeds and keep track of the latest information about a specific topic. Like, for example, I am studying cancer and I am getting updates on the last information that has been published in my PubMed RSS feed. In Article Galaxy References, you can also manage citations contained in your company PDF library, where you can open PDFs directly from here and interact with the PDF by reading and performing annotation. You can add a single citation, multiple citations, or even a list of identifiers. For example, I'm going to browse a citation file, and within seconds, you are able to import citations directly from your workflow. You can also create folders from here, and you can share these folders to your teammates. You can tag content to make it easier for you to keep track of the information. You can create subfolders too to make organization the best experience. As I mentioned before, you can create shared folders where you can collaborate with your team by sharing references and keeping everyone aligned. Access full text, review details, and take action without leaving your library. With Article Galaxy References, you will stay organized, stay efficient, stay focused on your research. Thank you.